Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, welcome to the Pharms Familia. For today, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, hey! So, for today we gotta do a birthday slay. It is the middle of the week, so I'm not gonna do much for my birthday tonight. However, I am gonna do a slay, even if I'm just sitting in the house, okay? So, we're about to do a really pretty birthday slay. I'm gonna try and do a quick little shoot outside. Hopefully I have good lighting, and yeah, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and get started on this birthday look. If you are interested in seeing how this look comes out, then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, like this video, and share, y'all. Sharing is caring. All right, y'all, have a wonderful day. Bye. All right beauties, so it is my birthday. So we're gonna do a nice slay today. I'm thinking orange gold kind of thing going on. So let's do this, okay? Now, I'm about to do a birthday shoot. I'm gonna try and do a birthday shoot after, just a few pictures. But just so you know, I got the new Fenty lip glosses. So I am excited to open up the new things. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start building up our crease. I'm gonna go into the matte book from the crayon case, and because I'm thinking orange, I'm gonna go into this orange color and build that up into the crease. All right, that's good. This is what we're looking like so far. Just really just blended the orange all across the eyes, and always make sure to go from the brows to the contour area. And now we're going to go into this dark brown right here and put that right into the crease, blending back and forth. Back into the orange and tap. Okay. Then we just want to start to blend this out. So I'm going to get a bigger fluffy blending brush and just start to blend everything together. Alright, so that blend is looking really good. Now it is time to cut the crease. Cut the crease, cut the crease. So now I'm going to blend the ends with this dark brown right here. Then I'm going to go into the orange. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some of this glitter glue. I'm going to end with the LA Splash glitter and Glitter Splash Champagne Bubbles. And now I'm going to go in with the Inglot 77 liner, and I'm going to line this out. And then with my number 16 concealer from Juvia's Place. Alright, beauty, so we got the eyes done. I'm kind of loving this pop. I'm also going to do my nails. I'm going to do some press on, so I'm going to let you guys see that on a separate video if you are interested, so I can put my whole slate together, okay? This is Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and this is in the color 430W. And you can really see the radiance shining through from that primer, which I'm liking so far. Next, we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 330. And I use everything in one swipe. Then we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Truffle Stick Matchstick. Alright, and we're going in with the Crayon Dust Powder in the color C. And this color is too light for my full face, so for the rest of my face I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup Powder. Alright, now we're about to bronze up using Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie. Okay, now we need to do these brows. I'm going in with the Crayon Case Dark Brown Eyebrow Pomade. Now I'm going to add some more orange to the bottom. And also over here. Now right underneath the front of my brow, I'm just going to line up a very, 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 very thin part. Then I'm going to use this brush here and just blend right in the front of the brow. Start blending this powder away. Going in with the voluminous mascara from L'Oreal. I'm going to go into the orange again just to cover up anywhere where the mascara may have gone. Now we're going to go ahead and put the lash glue on. Tap this onto my lash line. This is Madison Miller, and this is called Sweet Stuff. Morphe Blogger. Bring it all the way around. I'm going to take this and just go right here without adding anything on it. Then go ahead and start adding the lashes. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and highlight. This is the highlighter from the crayon case called the Honor Roll Highlighter. The Fenty Beauty mini gloss set. I'm so excited. Yay, 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 yay. I wanted it so bad when I saw it. I was like, I gotta have it. So the colors are, the pink one is Pretty Please, Fussy is the top one, Confetti is the clear one, Hot Chocolate is the chocolate one, and Cheeky is the orangey one. Alright, beauty, so this is the lip gloss kit here. We have the pink, the chocolate, the clear, the pinkish nudie one, and the pink one. And we're going to be doing the orangey looking one today for this look. So first I'm going to do my lips with the liquid lipstick and then put the gloss over it. So I'm going in with Orlando from Lena Lashes. And then this is Adam from Lena Lashes. I want to lighten the center of this before I put the liquid lipstick on it. So I'm going to go in with Loyalist from Maybelline Superstay. And going in with the Fenty Cheeky. So pretty, so pretty, and it feels so good. I love how Fenty glosses feel. So this is our final look. I'm going to go and switch up the hair because this is not a birthday sleigh. So I'll be back. Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun doing this birthday sleigh to go nowhere. But I thought it was really cute and I wanted to do something for my birthday. So I have this orange blazer on with this little crop top. Let me stand up so you can see. And I wanted to match it with the orange and the lips, and I feel like everything came out so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys' support. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. That would be the best birthday gift ever. And share this video so other people can see how to get these looks. I appreciate your support so much, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.